Hello everyone, Nancy Faye here, modern day pilgrim, and I am loving this view. Wow, I love this place. It never ever gets old coming here. I am at Petoskey State Park, and it's beautiful here. Oh my goodness. So right after my shower, I hoofed it up to the beach so I could see the sunset and take a few photos and get a couple nice videos. And I'll put a couple of those in here to show you. But boy, that was gorgeous and so windy and unbelievable. My hair's a train wreck, but whatever. Who cares, right? But anyways, yeah. So I got back to the van, got everything all put away. And again, making sure everything is put away is really important because your space is small. So we have to keep it nice so we can feel comfortable in here, right? And let's talk about those microfiber towels for a second. So anyhow, I think I might have done a video on those before. I don't remember actually right now, but we might have talked about it. But they're really awesome because they are so absorbent yet so tiny. So the towel is long and big, but it packs, because it's so thin and micro-ish, it folds up so tiny, and it's such a space saver in the van. I mean, beach towels and bath towels, they can take up a ton of space. So I don't even bring a beach towel anymore. I bring a microfiber towel. And yeah, that's all I need. I mean, I really don't go swimming per se. Sometimes I do when I have my granddaughter, but I don't even bring a beach towel anymore. I just bring 2 microfiber towels if I'm going to be doing a lot of beach stuff, and I bring one for the shower. But this time around, it's too windy, it's too much to be in the water. Wow, it's really something. But I only brought one. But anyhow, they dry quickly, and they are a space saver. So think about that. Think about maybe swapping out your bath towels and your beach towels for microfiber towels to save some space in your van. But anyhow, I had a great dinner. I made, what did I make? I made northern white beans. I might have taken a picture. I might not have. I don't know. I don't remember if I did. If I did, I'll add it. But northern white beans and turkey sausage with smoked cheddar. So I made them separately and then added them together and then heated them both together, because I just felt like it would take too long to heat the sausage if I didn't cook it separately. But anyhow, it was really, really good and very filling and very healthy. Again, it's very possible and doable to eat healthy when you're on the road, guys, so keep that in mind. And that's all. So I'm enjoying my time and my downtime. If I'm not rock hunting, I'm editing videos, which I really enjoy doing. So it's kind of nice because I don't have any interruptions from just home life. You know, when you're at home, it's just, you're doing laundry, I don't know, you're just doing everything. When you're at home, you're just doing home. For me anyway, editing videos is like, it's a secondary. My home comes first, but when I'm on the road and I'm doing videos and I'm done doing my stuff, then I can just come back to the van and just relax and edit videos, and I really enjoy that. So that's, I think, what I'm going to do for the rest of the night. Let's check the temperature. By the way, I last minute decided to bring my heater. I think I mentioned that. But let me just tell you, I'm glad I did. I was really going to try to rough it and just use this 12-volt blanket to warm myself, but I'm not stealth camping. Like, if I was stealth camping, that's exactly what I would do. And I should have actually used it last night, but I was so tired. I didn't even want to get out of my blanket to get it, and it was pretty cold, so I didn't use it, but I should have, because I really did need it. But I thought to myself when I was leaving the house, I checked the weather again, and they have all these beach and wind warnings right now in Petoskey. Don't go in the water. Like, the current is, I mean, these waves are huge, and it's just really powerful winds. So they're just saying, stay out of the water, whatever you do, which I don't go in the water anyway. But the winds are nuts, right? So it's so cold, and it's like, I don't want to come back into this van into a cold space after I've been out in the cold all day. Makes sense? And if I'm at a campground, why not use the electricity? So I got over myself and just brought my heater. So that's that. But if I was stealth camping, I wouldn't be able to use it. Like last night. I didn't use it. I was pretty cold last night. And I was just such a lazy bones. I didn't want to get up and get that blanket out, which I should have. I should have had it out already and ready to go. And then I went to bed in shorts and a t-shirt. What the heck? What was I thinking? Oh my goodness gracious. It was so freezing cold last night. But anyhow, tonight, what do we got here? We've got... I can't even read this. I think it says 50 outside and 75 in the van. Is that what that says? I think I don't have my glasses on right now. But anyhow, I'm very comfortable. And the heater will go on intermittently. I do have it on low, so it's not on right now, which is great. And I want to talk about my Jackery and my refrigerator. Like, what the Sam Heavens. I'm so impressed with this refrigerator. BougeRV 23 quart. Let me just say it. I have been parked in this spot at the campground, well, since 2:30. I do not have my Jackery hooked up to land power. I have that heater hooked up to land power, and I had my coffee pot, my Keurig outside hooked up to it. I have not had this Jackery plugged in at all since I've been here, and it's only at 93% right now. 93%. Wow. Wow. It hasn't hardly used, this refrigerator hasn't hardly used any juice. And maybe it's because it's cooler outside. Their compressor doesn't have to run a lot to keep up with it and whatever, but it says it's 37 in there now. And I have 93%. And I've had it unplugged since 2:30. And it was at 98%, I think. No, it was at like 100% because I was driving around. It was 98% last night when I pulled into my sneaky stealthy spot. It was 100% here and it's down to 93. So I'm just going to let this Jackery run down and keep track of it. So tomorrow morning we'll check again to see how much power the refrigerator took from the Jackery. But so far so good. And I really like the size of this thing. And I like the fact that it's got that flush top because I can use it as a little nightstand. I have my pop on here right now. I have my camera stand here taking this video, and it's perfect, just perfect. But anyhow, yeah, everything's going well. Everything's going well. And side note, I forgot my iPad, but so what, right? I usually would download movies and watch a movie at nighttime if I wanted to, but well, guess what? I can't. I mean, I can watch it on my phone if I want, but whatever. But anyways, that is all. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you all are having a fabulous night. I am. And I'll catch up with you in the morning and let you know how I did during the night. And, yeah, all is well. All right, you guys, I'll catch you later. Until then.